This is a 2015 Malibu Wakesetter 22 VLX. The boat has the surf gate, so it's easy to switch the ballast from side to side. Also has the power wedge, which adds about 300 pounds to your ballast assortment. Can really make you set the wave the way you want it. There's the power wedge right there. The surf gate. Boat's in good shape. It's got the really nice swim deck on the back, going up into the boat. You can see that Malibu made it very comfortable for the riders. Has a very nice big rear swim pad. It's got the nice Malibu carpet in the interior, large mirror you can attach to watch your surfers good. In 2015, Malibu went to a dual screen, making it very easy to control the wake and set your own settings and pick your own particular type of wake and speed you want to run the boat at. Very easy to operate. Also has the manual controls to do the same thing. Very nice flip-up bolsters. Speakers throughout the boat. Also comes with the 4 can speakers on the tower. This is a larger tower for Malibu this year. Very nice boat. It's got the filled in for the bow. Makes it very comfortable for the rider. This is a 2015 Malibu 22 VLX Wakesetter. Great boat to do your surfing in at SkipperBud's Lake Fountain.